Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Verizon My Verizon using MFA detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating to Verizon My Verizon using multi-factor authentication, first, visit the Verizon My Verizon website or open the My Verizon mobile app. Next, enter your Verizon username and password in the appropriate fields. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Sign In button to proceed. If multi-factor authentication is enabled for your account, you will receive a prompt to verify your identity. Choose your preferred method for receiving the verification code. This could be via SMS text message, phone call, or an authenticator app. If you select SMS, ensure the phone number displayed is correct. If needed, you can update it through your account settings prior to signing in. After confirming your method, click Send Code or the equivalent option. Check your device for the verification code sent by Verizon. Once you receive the code, return to the Verizon My Verizon login page or app. Enter the received verification code in the designated field. Ensure that you input the code accurately to avoid errors. After entering the code, click Verify or the corresponding option to continue. If the code is correct, you will be successfully authenticated and granted access to your account. In case the code is incorrect, you will receive an error message. If this occurs, double-check the code and try again, or request a new code if necessary. Once authenticated, you can now navigate through your Verizon My Verizon account and access various features. In the future, the system may remember your device, allowing for easier access. Always make sure to log out of your account when using a public device to maintain your account security. If you experience any issues during the authentication process, refer to the Verizon support page for assistance. This concludes the step-by-step guide on authenticating to Verizon My Verizon using multi-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.